G'day guys, I've made quite a few videos and I haven't posted them yet just out of sheer laziness. When you post them, you've got to have a lot of battery power and yeah, I've got a whole slew of videos to post. Now, my tyres have done 40,000 Ks basically, just about most of them. I have blown them, as in turning into curbs, so I've replaced 3 tyres previously before I had the workshop. Now, these tyres, I went onto my supplier's site yesterday and saw the Advan Sport, and figuring the tyres are arriving soon at a legal limit. Geez, they wear out so well. Check out the rim damage. Yeah, I ordered them. So here they are, made in Japan, Yokohama Advan Sport. And what we were comparing them to was like this Continental. Now this is a 30 profile tyre, but they're quite soft. And they are specifically, from what I know, made for the STI. So would keep the vehicle completely Japanese and stock. This is the tread pattern. And I'd have to brace, like my earlier videos, brace for the roll that you get on this soft sidewall. So I have a choice to return these and swap them for something else, but anything else, like the Potenzas, and they are so much more expensive. I'm talking at trade towards $400 more expensive. So the Advan Sports have come down in price. For example, if you guys were to come in here and get them, I could do them for probably, just say, $255 fitted, $260 fitted, $250 fitted, something like that. Now, that's a lot cheaper than they used to be, and I know that because when I set the workshop up, I went in and looked at the pricing and nearly fell over. So they are very expensive. I was paying like $370 a tyre when I blew them. And that's pretty much what you'd be paying at most reputable places. So yeah, like, what do you guys think? Like, you know, it looks the part, nice rubber, nice quality tyre. Do I fit them? So I've just got them sitting here for when I'm ready. These are all scrap tyres. There's some new Ecopias and that we keep in stock, but we don't have the room to actually keep too many tyres in stock. But yeah, and the car now is great fun to drive. It's driving how I love it. So by actually changing the tyres now, I'm just ruining the drivability of the car because it just makes it too grippy and grabby and all that. Let's not forget the center diff here is fully electronic over the previous model, which wasn't. So it gets that. It just becomes too many G's being pulled in the car, not enough slide. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Okay, bye.